The Tudor Black Bay GMT was one of many great releases this year. Of course, for us, we were eager to receive the watch and instantly start thinking about the best replacement watch straps. Today, let's go over a range of different watch straps that will completely change the look of your new watch. Before we get started, there are a few things worth noting with the new Tudor. Firstly, the watch has a lug width of 22mm. Next, in true Black Bay fashion, the watch is a little chunky with a thickness of 14.5mm. This will impact the type of straps we look to combine with the watch. And finally, the Pepsi bezel and red GMT hand will mean straps that are not too overpowering or strong in colour will work best with this piece. To start with, we have our ZULUDIVER lightweight Zulu strap. These straps come with all the benefits of standard NATO straps but use rounded metal hardware. This combo really shows off how versatile grey can be, as the GMT is fitted on the Admiralty grey option. The strap is a little longer than our standard one-piece nylon straps, which is why there is plenty of space through the Zulu hardware for the strap to be threaded back on itself on wrist. One of the keepers is also a floating one, perfect for getting a comfortable fit. Staying with nylon, let's take a look at our Swiss style premium NATO. Once again, we find all the benefits of our standard NATO range, but now with more angular modern hardware. This hardware is a great match for the Black Bay GMT, as it matches with the watch's chunky tool watch aesthetic. A floating keeper is also present on this premium NATO, and again, plenty of space under the hardware to tuck the excess strap away neatly. This version of the strap is the Desert Sand option, which picks up on the vintage touches throughout the Black Bay GMT and gives off a military, purposeful look. Next up, our first leather suggestion. This is the vintage HELMSLEY from our GECKOTA range. The strap comes in at 4mm thick, which is ideal for Tudor's modern case proportions. Straight out of the WatchGecko packaging, you'll notice the blue is a lovely dark petrol blue colour, which is a scarily close match to the Pepsi bezel on the Tudor. We find neat stitching throughout the strap, which is finished off with thicker double stitching around the lugs. A generous 4mm taper down to the polished buckle completes this look. A great option if you don't want it to be glaringly obvious you've just swapped out the strap on your new watch. Finally, we have one of our most popular straps, working just as well as the HELMSLEY does. The vintage HIGHLEY is a strap with a thickness of 6.5mm around the lugs. Once again, a perfect match for Tudor's 14.5mm case. This strap is becoming a bit of a classic for the Black Bay range, as it also featured and looked pretty cool on a Black Bay diver previously reviewed. For the GMT, this reddish brown version makes a brilliant everyday option. It really emphasises the soft Pepsi colours in the bezel and is one of the most comfortable straps we offer. Be sure to check out all the straps mentioned now on the WatchGecko website. What other watches would you like to see us give some strap suggestions for? Let us know in the comments below. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.